Hello, in this session we will be looking at the SQL Server auditing monitoring feature or SQL Server action event that any user will be doing at your SQL Server level. You can also monitor several DDL events or viewing or any operation basically done at the configuration on the database level as well at the server level. So the moment when you would log into SQL Planner, we have a dashboard specially designed for SQL Server audit event. So the moment when you click on this dashboard, you would see list of server that you are auditing basically. We have at the moment two server here, and we can see these are the list of actions that was done on your server level. So we can see easily, yeah, a 2017 developer environment, we have totally 416 alter command run. If we want to take a look at the detailed level of information, what exactly was done, we would simply drill down by clicking on the view report by user. The moment when you click on that, you would see the list of action and number of times done by the respective users. So we can see there are several drop event. Let us focus at the I'm interested to know which user has dropped what exactly. So I can see this user has initiated some drop event, and I want to know what exactly he has done. So I can verify, okay, this user at this time had dropped the database, and this was the query that he had executed. Okay, now if I want to focus more on all the users, and I would like to know who are the login failed event and on all the databases. So I can see, there were certain events that was failed login event, it was captured. Similarly, I can also, choose other event like drop, or let us focus at the alter event on all the database. And I can see that, okay, some user has done extensive alteration on database level of configuration. So this is how you can always drill down to the detailed level of informations, and to move to another server and view what are the actions that is done on that server, you simply come back and click on view report by user. Alternatively, this is by default showing at 1 day level of information. If you want to see specific custom date range, you can specify between two date range and view the what number of action was done by a specific user. This is a cool feature that other than monitoring and performance monitoring tool, you also get auditing feature within same tool. So you can see all the information, or you can drill down. Let's look at another event, view server state. This is something if any user would initiate or try to read your DMV basically, and you can see which user had executed what exactly the query. Okay, with this we are done with the dashboard. Let us go and take a look at the way how we can create a monitoring job. To create a monitoring job, you would simply come here and click on create action monitoring event, and I would need to specify which server I want to monitor basically for auditing event. I should provide the sysadmin or control admin user, and okay, what I see that I had already created a job on this server, so I would simply, I'm being asked to edit it. Let us go and edit them. So when you would create or edit, you get four category of action to monitor that are DDL, login, operation, and security. All of these, if you select, you would see several group of action that you can monitor, and there is a detailed level of information. If you select this event, what are you going to monitor basically? So it is a something like, for example, if you select DBCC group, that means you are going to monitor or capture all the DBCC command that is executed by any user on your server. This is how it is going to work. Make sure that you choose only those category which is really required. Selecting all of them would initiate, or it would grow your repository database to very large size. So hence you are requested to use only those events which are required. Here you can provide your email ID on which it will keep you alerting that this event was triggered by user, and take a look at that. You would receive in your email ID whatever you provided here. This is just a job, and you click on save. It will save the configuration. So this is all about SQL Server audit monitoring in SQL Planner. I hope you enjoyed this session. Have a great day. If you have any question, please write to us at support@mssqlplanner.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.